Hey Cam fam, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. And today I'm going to be doing a video I've never done before, but I got this idea because I went shopping and I thought that it would be a pretty good video and you guys might be interested. I'm going to be doing a full face of new products. So hopefully that sounds like something you want to watch, and if it is, then just keep on watching. And basically I have a bunch of new makeup that I've bought. Some of it is also from my birthday. Most of it is gonna be from a few days ago when I went shopping, but I never posted my birthday haul just because I didn't really like how it turned out. Some of the stuff you guys have also not seen yet, so I'm counting that as my new makeup. But I'm very excited to be trying a lot of new things out with you guys today and kind of giving my review, and also you get to see my reaction as well. And we're gonna really see if these products are going to work. I have nothing on my face right now. My skin is so dry. You see this? My nose is peeling. Okay, so I obviously have dry skin. Well, I don't even have like a moisturizer on because I wanted to try to stay as close as I can using only my new products, but I do have some stuff I think that will help with the dryness. Hopefully they help, and if not, then please just ignore my dry, crusty nails. And I've already got my beauty blender damp. Actually gonna be doing something new as well. I'm gonna test out my face using a brush for the foundation as well, and just kind of seeing which one that I like better. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and definitely leave a comment down below. Subscribe to join the Cam fam and become a butterfly. The first thing that I think I want to do is fix up my eyebrows a little bit. I got these velour lash scissors, but I'm also going to use them for trimming my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using one of my new brushes, which I will show you guys more of the new brushes later whenever I get to the eyes. So I'm just gonna brush them literally all the way up. This is gonna take me a minute. I'm gonna finish doing this and then come back, so hopefully they're not messed up. Okay, I'm back and I fixed my eyebrows. Hopefully you can tell a difference. I definitely can. They're just more shaped and I think they look pretty nice. Now we're gonna get to the good stuff. So obviously we're gonna start with the skin, but since I only really want to use my newer products, I'm just gonna be using this Crystal Lit Moon Oil. It has lavender, quartz, and blue tansy in it. It's for all skin types. So we're gonna be using this kind of as like our moisturizer, and we're just gonna see if that will work. It's vegan and cruelty free. So it's supposed to give you the best beauty rest your skin and mind will ever have. So this is probably mostly for like before bed. That's kind of what it sounds like. Crystals are supposed to really have like energy to them and stuff. So we're going to be moving on to our face primer. We're going to be using our new Cover FX Dewy Skin Primer. It's supposed to hydrate your skin and give you a dewy finish. Creates an ultra smooth canvas for flawless makeup application, perfect for normal to dry skin, which I have that. So it's like a gel texture. Interesting feeling. Like I said, it's like a jelly texture. It feels like my face is like wet, but in like a different way. I don't know how to describe it. The skin that's peeling isn't really like going away. Definitely is like making my skin really glowy. I also have some new foundation from Lancome. It's, I don't even know how to tint Idol. It has SPF 15 in it too. It says up to 24-hour color wearing comfort, all skin types. And I actually was color matched, put it on my face, and it literally matched so well. I think I'm gonna do like half with the beauty blender and half with the brush. I just want to kind of see which one I prefer. I'm gonna put some of that moisturizer on the back of my hand. If I get more tan and I want to use this foundation, if I really like it, then I'll just mix it with the other ones that I have to give it a little more color. But I'm usually not super tan, and you guys probably know this. Usually I'm very like porcelain but I need a little bit more because I'm gonna go pretty like full coverage with this. I'm gonna do the brush first because I'm just really curious. So let's go ahead and do the brush on this side. I've avoided using brushes because of the streakiness that they usually leave behind, but sometimes it kind of depends on the foundation too. Oh, in the camera, for me at least, it looks like really good. I've never like been color matched so well. Because actually, how some brands have issues with going darker or not making enough dark shades, some brands struggle with making lighter shades as well. So I kind of have trouble sometimes finding a perfect shade for me. Now we're gonna use my beauty blender for this side. This is brand new beauty blender as well. Honestly, I have no clue which side I like better, but my skin is pretty glowy and I really love that. I think I've decided I'm just gonna stick with the beauty blender for now because my brush just leaves little like pieces of it behind. I'm just used to using the beauty blender, so I'm just gonna stick to that for now. Maybe when I get a new face brush or something. I'm just gonna add a little bit more foundation because I want it to be more full coverage. I just really want to see how far I can go with this. Okay, so I have my foundation fully applied. I think it looks pretty good besides my dry nose. Does anyone else have this issue? But I am really impressed. It matches my face literally perfectly. So I didn't get any new eyebrow stuff, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera since I won't be using anything new, but I'm going to come back and we're going to do our eyes. Okay, now my eyebrows are done. It took me a while. What we're going to do is we're going to use my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I usually do use this when I do prime my eyes, which is most of the time. So this isn't really like a new product, but I ran out. This helps stop creasing because I have greasy eyelids. It really does help. Like if I don't use this, then my eyes just crease. Now that our eyes are primed, we're going to be taking our NARS concealer. And I never do this, so we're gonna see how it works, but I probably should use a brush for this. And I really hope this turns out good because I really am trying to improve on eyes. I definitely have improved over the years though. Before I get into the eyes, I got the new Jeffree Star brushes here. All these little pink ones. And I'm super excited to be using these for the first time today. So, and we're gonna use our Jeffree Star palette, so it's gonna be perfect. But I just don't know what I wanna do. Okay, so I think I kind of know what I'm gonna do, but first we're gonna take this color, which is, we're gonna take Lynn, and we're gonna use that as a base color. I'm just gonna use this little fluffy brush and apply it. It'll also kind of help set everything in place as well. Okay, we're gonna take the color Self-Made. We're gonna use this hot pink. So now I have the pink done, and what we're gonna do now is make a crease. Let's take this little brush here and take our NARS concealer again and just put that on the back of our hand. I'm gonna need way more concealer. So I'm gonna get out my Tarte concealer. I'm cheating a little bit, but I don't wanna waste all the NARS one. I've decided I'm going to bring it out a little, kind of angle it. I'm gonna switch to this brush to pack whatever color I'm gonna use on here. I don't know if I want to do purple. Yo, this is like pretty sick. Okay, so I decided not to go with the purple, and this is not perfect. I think next time I'm going to not go so high right here, but for my first attempt, I think it's pretty good. Like, I put the colors designer label and millions. So I did like gold, and this is how it turned out. So yeah, I know it's not perfect, but I'm just like practicing, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Hopefully you guys think that they look good. I think with the lashes it'll be a little better, but I'm gonna like blend it a little. I did like mess up so they don't exactly look the same, but this is mainly just for practice. Let's respray my beauty blender, take our NARS concealer, and put that under our eyes. I have glitter literally everywhere. There's that, and so now we're going to set our under eyes with the Laura Mercier setting powder. We're gonna take my mini beauty blender and just put this in here. And also here, and on our chin, and put some right here for when we contour. Let's take this little fluffy brush here and just take that hot pink. I can't decide if I like that or not. Now that we have that, we're going to be applying lashes. Ardell Wispies. I'm going to use my new lash applicator here. It's fancy. I'm going to take my Tarteist Pro eyelash glue. Okay guys, so I have my lashes on, and I also did eyeliner. That wasn't part of the plan, but it kind of just happened. I'm actually going to wipe off powder if there's any excess. Pretty much used all of our new products. Contour, we're just going to be using the one that I normally use, which is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And for blush, we're going to use our Morphe blush palette, the color It Girl. I'm going to take our Hoola bronzer and just do a little bit of this. I have this new Jeffree Star Cosmetics highlight in the color Ice Cold. Spray my brush like always, and then it's beautiful. This is just so stunning. Well, we're going to use this little angled brush here to highlight my brow bone. And I'm also going to put some in my inner corner. We're just going to use our Kylie and Coco K. Okay, I'm just going to add my MAC Dazzle Glass, and we're done. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video of me trying some new products. I'm really happy with how this look turned out. It may not be absolutely perfect, but this was kind of just to practice with some new products and to give kind of a review for you guys. Overall, everything worked pretty good for me. I'm pretty happy with everything that I used today. I hope that you guys liked this video, and make sure to give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And you can follow me on all my social medias down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!